Hello everybody and welcome back to Tech Tutorials. In this video we are going to be learning how to animate text with keyframes in CapCut. So let's get started. First we are going to be adding a text using this text option from the top left side of your screen, and simply drag and drop text onto your video and just drag its end so it is equal to our video length. And now let's see, we have this default text. Let's just change it to something like animation. And now what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be adding keyframes. So I want this to be just moving around my screen in a circular motion. For that particular reason, what I can do, click on my video, which is click on my text, and then head over to my text and animation panel, and from there what I can do is click on basic, scroll a little bit down until you can find position and size. Now there I'm going to be creating a keyframe for everything, like for example scale, position and rotation. Now I'm going to be moving a couple of frames forward, and I'm going to be moving my text above, and then I'm going to be moving a couple of frames ahead, and then I'm going to be moving my text at right side. Just make your playhead move a couple of frames again and make your animation move as well. So you're going to be repeating this process a couple of times until you can see that your animation is back at its initial position. So currently, as you can see, it is at left side, and now it is in the middle, and now finally we can take it back to its original position, which was something like here, I think. So now when you play your video, you can see your text is now animated, and you can just use it as per your liking and according to your choice. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.